a $17.99 wig. You gotta stay tuned for this. Hi everyone, it is Miss Tonya. I am back with another wig review. I have ordered another wig from Amazon. Yay! Now, this wig was $17.99 if it's the right one. I ordered 2 wigs, and yeah. Oh my gosh, and it's kind of in the same packaging as the last wig that I did, and it's called AISI. I don't know if that's a V, AISI hair. I don't know. Nice packaging. I really don't know what it is. But anyway, so I ordered this blonde wig, and I'm not sure. It doesn't say. Oh, here it is. It is a AISI hair synthetic Africa fiber afro curly wig, and I couldn't have paid no more than about $17 for the wig. $17, $20, I don't know. But anyway, I am going to unbag it. I am going to go ahead and put it on and see how it looks. So it comes with this new little fishnet weaving cap, and it comes all whatever. I'm gonna put the specs of it down below. I don't believe this has the color on it. I can't see the writing on there. I'll have to put the specs on it and go from there. I really don't know. It doesn't have a lot of details on it. But anyway, it's a curly wig. I am going to go to the Essence Festival, and I wanted something that was cute and curly for one of the sundresses that I'm going to wear. And I wanted some hair that was not going to be all the way down my back. Because this is not really like a lace front wig, this video is probably going to be super short. I'm going to go ahead and probably put I'm not going to beat my face or anything. I'm going to put on a little bit makeup so that I'm not plain. And I am probably going to shape this up, and we'll go from there. But I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so I took the wig and put it on my head. It was kind of weird because I couldn't quite figure out how or the positioning of the wig. At that point it looked like, was it on the side, or either way it went, I probably could have made it work, but I wanted to make sure that I had the wig on right. Don't be talking about my little sides. Don't have nothing to do with wig. I was born like that. Okay, so anyway, I did get the wig back on correctly. And so now what I'm starting to do is just kind of feel it out, look in the mirror, and just try to figure out the shape, how I was going to shape it. Ooh, it was hot in here too. So anyway, I was just trying to shape it and figure it all out and see exactly how I was going to cut this thing, because I had a specific shape in mind. So I'm starting to fluff it out with my fingers and just kind of go through the motions and finger comb it. Just trying to get some of the tangles out so that I can really visualize what I am going to do with it. Because keep in mind, I am going to be in New Orleans. It is going to be hot, so I really don't want that much hair on my neck. So it's important that I kind of figure out about the bang situation. Do I really want a lot of hair in my face? What do I want to do? Because this is a whole lot of hair. If you haven't noticed, if I had really forked it all out, I'd have a big old banging afro. But I really love the curls. I love those big curls. And I know what I'm going to do is go ahead and spray it with this natural hair milk from Just For Me. It is something that I use on human hair and synthetic hair alike, mostly for curly and, you know, even for my natural hair. I love the way it smells. It gives just amount of shine, a right amount of shine, and it actually locks in those curls and takes some of that frizz out. So before I start cutting it, I wanted to kind of see how my curls were going to end up when they were a little bit wet, and before I decide to go ahead and really shape this thing up. So anyway, now that I have that all idea about how I'm going to shape it, I'm just pulling the hair, framing my face, before I actually take these doggone scissors to it. Now, it's important that you also fluff out the back and realize that once you start cutting, this is synthetic hair. It is not going to grow from your head. So you kind of need to just make sure that you have a good decision. And this is where I begin to cut. Now, I'm going to fast forward a little bit through this thing because I don't want you guys to have to sit here and watch me cut everything up. Okay? So I'll be back. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love what I've done to it. I think it shapes my face really well, and for $17.99 you can't beat it. Remember, this is Amazon Prime, 1-day delivery, $17.99. The product description will be below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.